we talk about Catherine. We talk about gathering. We talk about gathering. Quay. Talk about gathering. We talk about gatherings. Grouping together. I'm going to go to a gathering. We got a strawberry festival. We're going to go to a gathering. I'm going to do a dance. I'm going to watch my cousin dance. Sing. Drum. Eat. Play. See our loved ones. Maybe kick the embers of a few arguments and stir some coals up. Time to work on things. Talk about gathering. We talk about getting together. And we think about our family, our friends, and our loved ones. So we talk about gathering. And so when spring comes and we think about it, we go, hey, I got to go get them fiddleheads, huh? I'm going to gather them. I'm going to go gather some fiddleheads. Berry season. I'm going to gather some berries. Time to pick berries. Yeah, we talk about gathering. But we don't think of those the same, do we? When we say, I'm going to go to a gathering. And I'm going to go gathering. But why? It's the same. It's the same. So what is it when you go to a gathering that you are gathering? Because you're not only gathering, but you're being gathered by others. What are you gathering? You get together. Spirit. You're gathering spirit together. 20. Right? You're gathering together and you're getting strong. You're giving each other medicine. You're giving each other warmth and love. And where there are weaknesses in the twine, where there are embers of fires not extinguished, and tension, they can be addressed, and sometimes it can't be resorted. But you're gathering together. You're getting unity, family. You're getting community. You are united. See, that's gathering. You're gathering when you go to a gathering, right? Everybody's gathering. What else gathers? Clouds. Clouds gather. And what happens when a clouds start to gather? The clouds start gathering together, and they get big, tall, shadowy. Well, the clouds start to gather, you start knowing what's going to happen, right? When clouds gather, and they build, and they get dark, and they get heavy. When you see those clouds gathered, and they get a big, dark, heavy looking bottom, and the top turns into a head and points in the way the wind goes. And you know what's coming next. Parabungi. Thunder and lightning. Next. On its way. At the gathering. You are that thunder and lightning when you leave the gathering. The gathering of the people is like the gathering of the cloud. The power rises. And you are that thunder and you are that lightning. And when you go back to where you're from, you take that with you. You bring it into the world. You light it up for a brief second. And it is loud. Everyone hears it. Everyone feels it. Until it's time to gather again. Right? Spend your energy. Push yourself. Put that love, energy into the world. And move it. Change it. Bring in the gathering. Power the gathering with you. So, gathering. It's a powerful thing. And when we gather, we gather. Just no difference if you're getting substance that's for your flesh and bones, for your spirit, your heart, for each other. So, what was all Megawedich Kilmo? Because I'm all Kilmo. That's it. Adios.